On International Women's Day and every day of the year, the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica salutes every Jamaican woman in education, in business and commerce, in politics, in every area of professional endeavor. You have continued to make your mark. Your contributions have been invaluable, and in many cases, you are the movers and shakers driving the engine of growth and development. You are the nurturers of our nation, and in many cases, you apply that same spirit of nurturing to the professional space, being the balm and bringing the calm in the midst of turmoil. Could our companies and organizations and corporations survive without you? Could our political and governmental machinery function optimally without your balanced and significant input? Could our home and family life be complete without you? The answer is a resounding no. So whether you are an educator, ancillary worker, doctor, student, vendor, makeup artist, business person, politician, pastor, entertainer, a stay-at-home mother, or if you are unemployed, on this International Women's Day and throughout the entire year, the PBCJ salutes you. You make the world a better place.